The Nike Kobe Air Force 1 Low collection continues to grow, and the next model is the Daybreak colorway. While Kobe Bryant's basketball line continues to evolve, this Air Force 1 Low remains one of the most iconic lifestyle pieces of his legacy. With a Mamba-inspired construction, this new release fits perfectly into the growing Mamba Forever line. Stay here and get a closer look at the new Nike Kobe Air Force 1 Low Daybreak. With several colorways already available, including the Steam and Always Brothers, a simpler variation has emerged, the Kobe X Nike Air Force 1 Low Daybreak. While it doesn't share the same collegiate theme as the Lower Marion Aces, it's simply a color palette change on the original design. This upcoming release keeps the now familiar Mamba-inspired build intact. The upper once again leans on that textured snakeskin style treatment, giving the classic Air Force 1 a sharper identity. From there, Nike switches up the color blocking with soft daybreak blue accents placed across the collar, outsole, and heel details. The alternating 8 and 24 numbers return at the back, continuing the tribute to Kobe's two iconic jersey numbers. Compared to some of the more story-driven pairs already revealed, the Kobe Air Force 1 Low Daybreak feels more straightforward. It does not appear to carry the same school-based theme as the Lower Marion Aces makeup, but it still fits nicely within the growing Mamba Forever lineup. Sometimes a cleaner color update is all this silhouette needs, especially when the details already do most of the talking. The Nike Kobe Air Force 1 Low Daybreak will release May 21, 2026 through select retailers and Nike.com. The retail price tag is set at $120 US. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Footgear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.